Looks good to me.
Fit in there. We can tie it around the tree.
Cool, man. That sounds good to me. Last time we went looking for somebody's geocache, this time we're going to plant one.
Anybody that comes out here, they're looking for one.
You want to grab my rope there? That way we can kind of sandwich ourselves in between.
You go around and look at that snake?
I'd look around. I didn't see it though. I was looking. Just wrap it around that. There you go. That. Wrap it around. Use that O-ring, I guess, like I did.
Yeah, there's still a lot of current in here.
Yes. Well, right here it's 4.6 feet, and we are out in the middle of nowhere.
Well,
there's no lines on my map showing that I've ever been anywhere near here before, so I'm pretty good distance away from anything I'm familiar with.
geocache hiding. It has the geocache sticker, official sticker, and the GC number, name of the hider, which is me, and my email address. For anybody that finds it accidentally,
Put it up again so we can see it.
they can contact me. And
Just get it in front of that way I can get the whole thing in.
like this.
Well, right side up. I was just you were in front of that log, so I couldn't.
Oh.
Now your fingers are over. Hey, there we go. Now we get the whole label. Outstanding. There we go.
That's the container, and this is the location.
LZ33.
People discover it, find it.
This is where we're at, people, and there's really nothing to. No landmarks. I mean, there's trees, if that tells you anything. Look for the trees. There's lots of trees here, and water if you're lucky. But primarily lots of trees. And yeah, there's a sun up there too.
Will the water get much higher than this?
It can. There's a nice spider on the other side of this tree. Really cool looking.
Thanks for telling me all that.
Well, I was letting you know he was on this side of the tree. And he wasn't heading over that way, you know. If he was heading that way, I'd let you know. But he's just, we're having a staring contest right now.
Who's winning?
I don't know. I have the video camera, so that's like, I'm looking at him twice, so I guess I'm winning. But he just jumped and I don't know where he went, so. Oh, he jumped further down. He's still on this side of the tree. I guess he didn't like my stare down because he had to, yeah, there he goes again.
Secured.
Right now, like I said, the water here is 4.7 foot. River stage is rated 11, pretty close to it. When it gets seriously flooded here, we're talking 14 foot, so it could come up another 4 foot. Well, 3 foot. It could come up another 3 foot.
Well, it'll just be underwater. It won't be like that for months at a time, will it?
No.
Just up and down.
Maybe a week.
It'll be all right. It's not going to flow away because the water's pushing against the tree. Now, when this tree, it looks like it's still trying to live and survive.
Oh yeah.
It might end up falling off. But that's what your maintenance for.
Exactly. Let me.
I'm trying to get this wedged in there so it won't fall down at me.
Let's set my waypoint. There we go. I got it marked so I know where it's at now.